Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic projectile motion, which is very important for IPE. Okay, there are many types of motions which we see around us. Some of the motions are in one dimension. One dimension means the body moving along a straight line. Some of the motions are in two dimensions. Two dimensions means the x coordinate and y coordinate of the body keeps on changing. So that is called 2D motion. Such type of motion is called a projectile motion. For suppose, see here, this is a ground. If we project a body vertically upwards, if we project a body into the air vertically upwards, project means visiredam. So okay, now if you project a body vertically upwards, what's happened? After some time it comes back onto the earth through original path. In other case, if you project a body into the air in any direction other than 90 degrees, other than 90 degrees, so that type of motion is called projectile motion. This is the ground. If we project a body into the air other than 90 degrees, then what's happened? The body follows this direction. This is a vertical direction, this is a horizontal direction. If you project a body into the air other than 90 degrees, other than 90 degrees, the type of motion of the body is called projectile motion. Today we are going to discuss about the projectile motion. So what is a projectile? First of all, what is a projectile? So that means projectile is any body projected into air at an angle other than 90 with the horizontal near the surface of the earth is called projectile. If any body projected into air other than 90 degrees, అంటే 90 degrees కాకుండా ఏ యాంగిల్లోనైనా మనం ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేస్తే అదేంటి ప్రొజెక్టైల్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొజెక్టైల్? Okay, see that the science of projectile, the science of projectile motion is called ballistics. The science which describes the projectile motion, so that is called ballistics. So what are the examples of projectile? So a first example is a cricket ball thrown by the fielder. Cricket ball thrown by a fielder. So that motion, the ball of the motion is a projectile motion. For suppose the ball hit by the bat from the ground, it follows this path. So that is projectile motion. And also bullet fired from a gun, that bullet motion is also projectile motion. A javelin throw by an athlete, that is one of the example of projectile motion. A jet of water from a rubber tube impelled into air. A jet of water from a rubber tube impelled into air. సో ఒక వాటర్ పైప్ నుంచి వాటర్ బయటకు వస్తుంది కదా, అది కూడా మనకి ఏంటి అంటే ప్రొజెక్టైల్ మోషనే అవుతుంది. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇది పైప్ అనుకోండి, the water impelled into air from the rubber tube. So this is also one of the example of projectile motion. So these are the examples of projectiles. What is a projectile? If a body projected into air at an angle other than 90 with the horizontal near the surface of the earth is called projectile. సో మనకి ఏంటి అంటే 90 degrees కాకుండా అదర్ దాన్ 90 degrees తోటి ఏ బాడీ నేను ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఎయిర్లోకి, దట్ ఈస్ ప్రొజెక్టైల్. దట్ మోషన్ is called projectile motion. So this projectile makes an angle theta with horizontal x-axis, this is y-axis. okay.